What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of FS Skiing. Today we got Hayden's over here, we got Dylan over here, and we are at Hyland Hills. This place is absolutely insane, and I can't wait to get into today's video. So, I hope you like Buck Hill's video. So this is day 2 of the trip. Day 3 is Elms Creek, and that's all I got for the intro, but this place is absolutely insane. Hopefully I don't drop the GoPro and get it ran over, but yeah, that's all I got. Peace out, guys.
Drinking a German beer with a Cuban cigar in the middle of Paris with a Dominican bar. Great head on her shoulder, she probably studied abroad. She transferred to Harvard from King's College in March. She says that I'm her favorite cause she admires the art. Michelangelo with the flow, Picasso with the bar. She's well put together like a piece by Gershwin, Renaissance style. Tonight is picture perfect, so smile and pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good. First class cabin fever, 5-hour layovers from Norway to Egypt. I'm to the point like the pyramids of Giza. Still I'm to the left like the tower out in Pisa. I'm feeling single, baby, I could use a feature. Swagger like Caesar, I'll get you a visa. We can go to Italy and maybe see the Colosseum. I'll be Da Vinci if you be my Mona Lisa and I smile. So pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good. Let's make it plural. Spin the globe, wherever it lands, that's where we'll go. We'll hit up Europe, yeah, and spend some euros. Or maybe visit Berlin, the walls with the murals. This is your month, baby, sign of the Virgo. Private reservations, glasses full of Merlot. A rosé, a burgundy, traveling like turbo. Brush up on your Espanol, we're Barcelona bound, so smile. So pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? It's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good.
And that was it for today's video. What'd you guys think of Hyland?
Amazing. Insane. Absolutely crazy.
My bad, pimp.
I'm gonna bleep that out. All right, absolutely great day. If you have a chance to visit Hyland, totally recommend. It's not the best place in the world if you had to rate it overall, but it is just a special experience in its own special world. I would recommend totally. And that's all I got for today's video. Tomorrow's Elm Creek, super stoked for that. And that's all I got for today's video. Comment down your local hill in the comment section. Like this video and go subscribe. And peace out, guys.